Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing what I made for this week, then just keep on watching. I'm starting off with these wood blocks and I'm going to glue them together with my wood glue, and I'm gluing 3 pieces together at a time, making 9 individual pieces all together. Okay, so I have 9 individual pieces here, and I'm just going to glue them all together. Alright, so I'm just gluing a second layer of the blocks onto my perfume bottle, and I couldn't find the footage of me gluing the cap on my perfume bottle. It's pretty straightforward, but for those of you who would like to see that, I do have a clip of that coming up next in the video. As you guys can see, I made 3 layers to my tray as well, and now I'm just going to fill in the center. How I chose to glue the blocks to the center of my tray, the blocks is not going to fit going all the way across, but you guys will see what I did to fix that later on in the video. This is what I was talking about my blocks not being able to fit all the way across, but that's okay. I'm going to sit this aside and let it dry. For this last project, I'm basically creating wall decor to go with my perfume bottle and my tray. Okay, so I glued all 3 rows together, and now I'm going to start gluing the blocks going downward, and I'll be leaving a space in between each block. Now that all my pieces are dry, I'm going to be using my silver metallic spray paint to cover all 4 of them. I'm going to spray a second coat of spray paint, then let this dry for about 30 minutes. I'm using this paper plate for my mixture, which consists of this Mod-Podge and this silver glitter. I'm using this combination to add a little more detail to my decor. Once I'm done covering my tray, I'm going to cover my wall decor pieces, then I'm going to sit them to the side and let them dry. Now that this piece has dried, I'm going to take these circle mirror tiles and I'm going to glue them to my perfume bottle. I'm going to add a little pop of color by gluing these pink beads to my perfume bottle. I already glued these circles to the front of my tray and I already laid the ones out that's inside the tray. Now I'm just going to glue those ones down. I'm only gluing these circles down to the top and the bottom of my wall decor. To add a little bit more detail, I'm going to be gluing these square mirror tiles to the center of my wall decor. Once I was done gluing all my mirror tiles down, I removed any excess glue strings, cleaned all my mirrors off, and then I had something that looked like this. I hope y'all enjoyed this week's projects. I think they turned out super glam and pretty. This wall decor is truly a one of a kind and it's absolutely stunning. And just look at my new perfume bottle, and I just used makeup to cover up the open space on my tray. Let me know what y'all think. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're curious to see what else I can create, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video.